Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Basic Thermodynamics, unit number 1, we are going to discuss the numericals. So, let us start with the first numerical. So, the numerical is a system composed of 3 kg of substance which expands from an initial pressure of 500 kilopascals and a volume of 0.22 meter cube to a final pressure of 100 kilopascals in a process in which pressure and volume are related by PV raised to 1.2 is equal to constant. So, find the work transfer for this process. So, we have to find out the work transfer in this process. Now, in this numerical, the process is a polytropic process. So, polytropic process is given by the equation P1 V1 raised to n is equal to P2 V2 raised to n, and that process is shown in this diagram from point 1 to point 2. Here is P1 pressure, final pressure P2, initial volume V1 and final volume V2. So, we have to find out the work done or work transfer. So, given data is what? P1, P2, V1, and the condition is PV raised to 1.2 is equal to constant. So, here a polytropic index is 1.2. So, the formula for work done in a polytropic process is W is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon 1 minus n. Now, as per this condition, we have P1 V1 raised to n is equal to P2 V2 raised to n. So, here like this P1 V1 raised to 1.2 is equal to P2 V2 raised to 1.2. So, with that we can find out the unknown volume V2. So, V1 is equal to P1 upon P2 raised to the power 1 upon 1.2. So, volume V2 will be given as this, that is 0.845 meter cube. For a quasi static process, now the formula for work done is W is equal to integral P dV. So, for a polytropic process, that formula already we have seen, P2 V2 upon P minus P1 V1 is equal upon 1 minus n. So, the work transfer or work done will be W is equal to 1.27.5 kilojoules. So, this is the final answer. Now, let us see the next problem. A fluid is confined in a cylinder by a spring loaded frictionless piston, so that the pressure in the fluid is a linear function of the volume P is equal to AB into V, where P is in kilopascals, V in cubic meters. If fluid changes from initial state of 170 kilopascals of 0.03 meter cube to a final state of 400 kilopascals, and again the volume is 0.06 meter cube, when no work other than that done on the piston, find the direction and magnitude of work transfer. So, this is the numerical. Now, in this numerical, the given data is this P1 V1 P2 V2. The equation given is what? P is equal to AB into V. Now, if you put the conditions here, the initial condition is 170 is equal to A plus B into 0.03, that is the P1 condition, P1 V1 condition. The final condition is P2 condition, P2 V2 condition, that is 400 is equal to A plus B into 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. 0.06. Now, from these two equations, equating these two equations, we can get the values of A and B. So, A is equal to minus 60 kilonewtons per meter square and B is equal to 7667 kilonewtons per upon meter raised to the power 5. Now, the work transferred involved during this process is given by, that is, work done 1 to 2 is integral P dV and limits are 1 to, that is, V1 to V2. So, simplifying this integral, we get this equation is equal to A into bracket V2 minus V1 plus B V2 square minus V1 square upon 2. Now, taking the common terms out from this, so the common term will be V2 minus V1 into bracket A plus B upon 2 into bracket V1 plus V2, bracket complete. So, when you put the values, you get the final work done as 8.55 kilojoules. So, it states that the work done by the system has the magnitude of 8.55 kilojoules. Now, let us start with the numerical 3. Now, this numerical is on a hyperbolic process, PV is equal to constant. Now, the numerical is a gas is compressed hyperbolically from a pressure and volume of 100 kilonewtons per meter square and a volume of 0.056 meter cube respectively. The volume of 0.07 meter cube. So, 2, the final condition of the volume, determine the final pressure and work done on the gas. So, you can see this diagram. So, for a hyperbolic process, PV is equal to constant, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So, on the y axis you have pressure, x axis you have the volume, initial condition, final condition, initial pressure, final pressure, initial volume, final volume, and the given data is this. This is the given data. Okay. Now, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So, from this you can find the value of P2. So, P2 you can find by putting the values. P2 is equal to 800 kilonewtons per meter square. Now, the work done is given by this formula. So, PV ln V2 upon V1. Now, what is V2 upon V1? Now, see, V1, this is what the initial volume, final volume. So, this is also called as the compression ratio, that is the total volume upon clearance volume V1. Okay. When you put the values here, putting the values, you get this value, just changing the sign of the integral, numerator and denominator here, this adjustment. Okay. When you change this numerator or take the inverse, this value will be negative. So, when you simplify these terms, okay, you will get the final answer as this. So, work done is what here finally minus 11.64 kilojoules. The work done on the gas is 11.64 kilojoules. So, work is done on the gas. Numerical 4, 0.014 meter cube of gas at a pressure of 2070 kilonewtons per meter square expands to a pressure of 207 kilonewtons per meter square according to the law of PV raised to 1.35 is equal to constant. determine the work done by the gas during the expansion. Now, this is again a polytropic expansion process. Now, again the initial pressure is given here, final pressure, initial volume, final volume, PV raised to n is equal to constant, which is a polytropic process. So, work during polytropic expansion, the formula is work done is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. So, in this problem V2 is not known and must be calculated first. That is the volume, final volume, what we can say. So, using this P1 V1 raised to n is equal to P2 V2 raised to n, we can find out the volume V2. So, putting the values in this formula, we get the V2 value as this, that is V2 is equal to 0.077 meter cube. So, the work done formula, as we have already discussed, P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. So, now here putting the values of the values, that is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1, and simplifying all this data, right, the work done will be 37.3 kilojoules. So, these are the references. Thank you friends, thank you very much.